everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys the new fried rice recipe I'm trying this Christmas period. So please enjoy the rest of this video. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add my washed rice into my pot. So it has a little bit of water in it, so I'm not really bothered about it burning in the first place. And then I'm gonna add my blended green bell peppers. This is a game changer, guys. It is a game changer. It's made the rice taste amazing. It made it taste so yummy. The aroma was just amazing. It was absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys actually try this out. And then I just washed the rest of the pepper that was left in the blender into the rice as well, and I'm just mixing it properly, just to allow the pepper to be everywhere and evenly distributed, basically. And then I'm adding some chicken stock. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt, not a lot, just a little bit of salt anyways, and then just mix this up together and cover it for like 5 minutes. And this is just to allow the rice to absorb the juice from the green bell pepper when it's not like mixed with a lot of water. Do you get? So it allows it to be more concentrated, that kind of stuff. And then after 5 minutes I added some mixed herbs and just mixed. You could have added the mixed herbs before, but I'm just doing it this way, so it doesn't matter what you add first, as long as everything goes in the same pot. Then I added some hot water to it, and basically you just want the water to cover the surface of the rice but still be able to see like the rice. Do you get what I'm saying? So don't bury the rice into the water, just add a little bit to cover the surface of the rice. And then I just cooked this for 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes it was done. Sorry, I forgot the camera was off and I actually mixed this up. It was kind of burnt on the side, so I already mixed it up before I move the camera to it. Add some coconut oil to your frying pan or your pot, whatever it is you're using for the next stage, and just allow this to melt. And then add your onions. At this point, see what I like about coconut oil is the aroma that just fills the kitchen when you're using it. Like, it's so beautiful. And just fry your onions until it's golden brown-ish when you're satisfied, and add some cooked shredded chicken breasts to it. You can use goat meat, you can use beef, you can use turkey, but I like using chicken breast for my rice or spaghetti recipes because I just feel like it just goes with it, basically. And just fry your chicken breast until it's a little bit brown or until you're satisfied, basically. Add some thyme as well. You can add the thyme now, you can add the thyme later, it's up to you, but I like adding the thyme at this point. So after frying for about 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding all my vegetables and everything else that I'm going to be adding to the fried rice, such as my sweet corn, my red bell pepper, my carrots, my green hot chilies. Like with this, you can add anything you want, any type of veggies you want, anything really, prawns, anything you want to add to your fried rice. That's what I love about fried rice, actually. But yeah, and just mix this up together to prevent it from burning. And then I'm gonna season it with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding some Maggi cubes, and then I'm going to add some Lagos chili pepper because I love spicy fried rice. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, or you could blend some Scotch bonnets and add this to it. But anyways, I'm just gonna mix it up together and allow this to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't want it to fry for a longer time because it was still gonna cook with the rice. Do you get? So I don't want it to be too soft by the time I'm eating. So that's why I'm frying for just 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, you can add your rice and just mix this up together while still frying it. By this time, you should have reduced your heat to low or medium. Just don't make it too high, that's gonna start burning your rice. You don't want that to happen. So yeah, just mix this up together and allow it to just keep frying for a few minutes. This is really good, especially if you're gonna keep the fried rice in the fridge. The fact that you fried it makes it last longer in the fridge, so it doesn't spoil too quickly. And yeah, after about 5 minutes of leaving my rice to fry, it is ready and it looks delicious. The colors are just popping everywhere. Look at the yellow, the orange, the red, everything is just giving me nice vibes. The rice looks amazing and it tasted very, very yummy. I hope you guys liked this recipe and I hope you tried this one out. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.